If you've ever dealt with piles of laundry that take forever to wash, dry, or even fit into your space, you already know how much the right washer and dryer can matter. The tricky part is that not every setup works the same way. Some are better for small spaces, some focus on smart features, others give you more capacity, faster cycles, or a more premium laundry experience. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best washers and dryers, each one standing out for a different type of home, budget, and laundry routine. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these washers and dryers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Frigidaire FLCE 7522 Electric. This is the most budget-friendly washer-dryer set on our list. This one makes a lot of sense if you want a full laundry setup without going into a more premium pair. You get a 3.9 cubic foot washer and a 5.5 cubic foot dryer in one stacked laundry center. So you're getting a complete setup that still feels simple, practical, and easy to live with. And honestly, that's what makes it such a strong, budget-friendly pick. You don't have to deal with 2 separate machines taking up extra floor space. Everything is built into one clean unit, and the 27-inch width keeps it manageable for laundry closets, apartments, smaller laundry rooms, or utility areas. Plus, you also get an advanced agitation system that helps move clothes through the wash so they come out clean. That's great for regular laundry days. But it also helps when you're washing activewear, bulky pieces, colors, or delicates. And the cycle options are really useful too. You get 10 wash cycles, 6 dry cycles, and 4-time dryer cycles. You can choose what fits the load. Plus, the quick wash and quick dry cycles help when you need clothes done faster. Then you have Max Fill, which lets you use the maximum water level for the selected cycle. You also get status lights, an end-of-cycle signal, and quieter operation with sound dampening technology. And here's what Terry says: I am extremely satisfied with our purchase of the Frigidaire washer-dryer. It washes my clothes so well, and when the spin cycle is completed, the clothes have very little wetness left so they dry quickly. So if you want a simple stacked setup that keeps the cost more reasonable, this one is a smart pick. Number 6 is the Medea 24-inch all-in-one combo. This is the most space-saving washer-dryer set on our list. This one is made for tight spaces. You get the washer and dryer in one machine. You don't have to move clothes from one unit to another. That makes it a really convenient pick if you live in an apartment, RV, condo, or smaller home. And the size is the big reason it stands out here. The 24-inch compact design helps you fit laundry into spaces where a full washer and dryer set may not work. You also get a ventless design, so you don't need a traditional wall vent. That gives you a lot more flexibility with where you can place it. Now, even with the smaller footprint, it still gives you useful capacity. The 2.7 cubic foot drum and 26-pound capacity make it practical for regular household laundry. So you're not just saving space, you're still getting a machine that can handle everyday loads. And you also get 16 wash programs and 6 extra features. That gives you a good amount of control. And the overnight wash and dry cycle is a really nice touch. You can start a load at night and wake up to clean clothes in the morning. Plus, the steam care function helps keep clothes fresh while removing stains, germs, and bacteria. The air fluff feature also helps keep clothes fresh after the dry cycle ends. And here's what Diane says: I am amazed how clean things get to my regular washer. Would recommend having one. Very quiet, no leaking, great value for the money, easy to set and function, love it. So if you want laundry in one compact machine, this is the easiest space-saving choice. Number 5 is the Electrolux 600 series set. This is the best premium pair. This one is a great fit if you want a more upgraded laundry setup. You're getting a full front-load washer and dryer pair. This one feels roomy, polished, and built for better fabric care. And capacity is a big reason it stands out. You get a 4.5 cubic foot front-load washer and an 8.0 cubic foot electric dryer. So you have plenty of room for clothes, towels, bedding, and bigger laundry days. The washer also brings strong cleaning features. You get Smart Boost, which helps mix water and detergent before the cycle starts for a more even clean. You also get Steam Wash, Sanitize, Delicates, and Normal Wash. You can basically match the cycle to the load. Then the dryer adds more care with Lux Care Dry. It uses an advanced moisture sensor to help prevent overdrying or underdrying. Because of this, your clothes can come out dry and fresh. And you also get a 15-minute fast wash, which is great for quick loads. Plus, the set is stackable, and the reversible doors give you more setup flexibility. So if you want a more refined laundry setup, this is the premium pair to choose. And if you want to know the latest prices for the washers and dryers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Samsung Bespoke AI Hub. This is the best smart stack washer dryer set on our list. This one feels like the most modern option in the lineup. You get a stacked laundry hub with a 4.6 cubic foot washer and a 7.6 cubic foot electric dryer. This one gives you a strong capacity without spreading everything across the room. And for a smart stacked setup, the control design is a big deal. The AI laundry hub with easy reach control panel lets you control both the washer and dryer from one place. So you don't have to reach up high for separate dryer controls. Everything feels cleaner and easier to use. Then you get AI OptiWash and AI Optimal Dry, which help detect soil level and fabric type. From there, the machine can adjust the settings during the cycle. So instead of guessing what your laundry needs, you get a setup that feels more automatic. Now you also get Wi-Fi connectivity with SmartThings. That means you can get cycle alerts on your phone. You can also start, stop, or delay cycles remotely. So if you're busy around the house, you can still keep an eye on your laundry. And the cleaning features are strong too. The washer includes steam wash, which helps gently remove stains without time-consuming pre-treatments. The dryer includes a moisture sensor, steam dry, and a vent sensor that helps it run safely and efficiently. So if you want a smarter stacked laundry setup, this one feels the most advanced. Number 3 is the Comfy 24-inch combo. This is the most convenient. And that's why the overnight wash and dry cycle is such a big deal. You can start a load before bed and wake up to clean, dry clothes the next day. So instead of planning around laundry, you can let the machine do more of the work. You also get a 2.7 cubic foot capacity with 26-pound washer capacity and 13-pound dryer capacity. So it still works well for regular laundry while keeping the footprint compact. Plus, the 23-inch by 25-inch by 34-inch size is great for apartments, dorms, RVs, and smaller spaces. And since it's a ventless combo that works with a 120-volt standard outlet, setup feels a lot easier. And you also get steam care, quick wash, pre-wash, delay start, child lock, a wool setting, and a reload function. The 30-minute steam cycle helps reduce wrinkles and odor too. So if you want laundry to feel easier from start to finish, this is the convenient pick. Number 2 is the Electrolux ELTE7300 tower. This is the best compact tower. This one is a great fit if you want full-size laundry performance but don't want to spread 2 separate machines across your laundry room. It has a vertical stack design, so you get the washer and dryer in one tall setup. That helps save floor space while still giving you a real washer and dryer experience. And for the compact tower category, that balances the big win. You get a 4.4 cubic feet front load washer and an 8.0 cubic foot electric dryer. This thing still feels roomy enough for family laundry, bedding, towels, and bigger loads. You're saving space, but you're not giving up capacity. The washer also uses the LuxCare wash system, which gives you thorough cleaning with smart load sensing. So the machine can better adjust to what you're washing. That makes it feel more practical for everyday clothes, colors, whites, delicates, and bulky bedding. Then the dryer brings in more fabric care. It has moisture sensors that help prevent over-drying. That's really useful when you want clothes to come out dry without feeling overworked. Plus, you also get a 15-minute fast wash and 15-minute fast dry cycle. This is perfect when you need a small load done quickly. And since the stacking kit is included, setup feels more complete right out of the box. So if you want a full-size setup in a cleaner vertical design, this compact tower makes the most sense. Number 1 is the LG Wash Tower WKEX200. This is the best overall. This one takes the best overall spot because it brings together space-saving design, full-size capacity, smart operation, and everyday ease of use. It's a single-unit wash tower. The washer and dryer are built into one clean vertical setup. You still get a full laundry center, but it feels more streamlined. And the capacity is a big part of why it works so well overall. You get a 4.5 cubic foot front load washer and a 7.4 cubic foot electric dryer. That gives you enough room for larger loads, family laundry, towels, and everyday wash days. So you can handle more at once without needing a bulky side-by-side layout. Now, the design also feels very user-friendly. Instead of separate controls in awkward spots, you get an intuitive central control panel that makes it easier to choose your cycles. That matters a lot with stacked laundry setups because everything feels more reachable and less complicated, and because it's a smart electric laundry center, the whole setup feels modern and efficient. You also get remote controls, tub clean, and an estimated annual energy use of around 607 kilowatt hours per year. So it's built to balance performance with energy efficiency. Plus, the 27-inch width helps it fit into more laundry spaces, while the 74.38-inch height keeps the stacked design clean and practical. You also get a 55-inch maximum door open depth, which helps with loading, unloading, and maintenance. So if you want the most complete mix of capacity, design, and everyday ease, this is the best overall pick. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect washer and dryer. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each washer and dryer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.